Why's your zipper, your buttons down on your crotch?
Well, I probably just forgot.
An accused rapist is caught with his pants unzipped in a truck full of underage kids during a traffic stop in New Mexico.
Okay, and then you have a bunch of kids in the car. How many kids? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who are these kids to you?
This is just my friend.
In 2022, officers in New Mexico spotted a truck swerving in the road in the early hours of the morning, so pulled over the driver for questioning.
Hey there.
Hello.
How are you?
All right.
Just all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Should you drive license?
Jeremy Guthrie was the man behind the wheel, and while he was drunk, police found something much more worrying in his vehicle.
There's your wallet right there between your legs.
Sorry, just a little bit nervous.
So was I. The way you're driving?
Huh?
I said, you mentioned that you were nervous? Right. I was nervous while I was behind you driving down I-40. You were in lane number 1. At times, you went all the way from lane number 1 all the way over. Didn't use a signal. Had problems keeping your vehicle one lane. And then, when you merge on from westbound 40 to northbound 25, you took that curve way too fast.
I did. I'm sorry.
I thought you were going to crash.
The first responder then comments on the 6 children inside the vehicle. Officials later confirmed the kids were between 13 and 14 years old.
Okay, and then you have a bunch of kids in the car. How many kids? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who are these kids to you?
This is just my friend.
That's your friend?
Yeah.
When asked how he knew them, Guthrie said they were his friends.
How old's your friend?
18.
That girl's not 18?
Huh?
That girl's not 18?
Yeah.
No, she's not.
No, I don't think she is.
That girl's not 18. Trust me. She don't look 18. Ma'am, how old are you? I didn't ask you your name. I asked you how old you were.
He tried to claim that the girl in the passenger seat next to him was 18, but the police didn't believe him. When the girl refused to give her age, the officers then asked Guthrie to exit his vehicle, and he stepped out with his trousers unbuttoned.
Jeremy, turn the car off and come back here and talk to me.
All right.
Come on out.
Through a police body cam sees Guthrie looking nervous when questioned by police after they caught with his fly open. And 6 kids in the back of his pickup truck appear on body cam videos slurring his speech as he tries to talk his way out of the stop, which ultimately led to child rape charges against him for allegedly molesting one of his passengers.
Why's your zipper, your buttons down on your crotch?
Well, I probably just forgot.
Okay.
I'll button my zipper.
Yeah, please button your zipper.
Yeah. I mean, I had to take like a piss and
Good?
At first, Guthrie claims he hasn't been drinking, but later admits he had a few drinks several hours ago.
Can you explain to me why I can smell the strong odor of an alcoholic beverage emitting from your breath every time you breathe and talk to me? Explain that odor.
well, I don't even know. I mean, yeah. I mean, I haven't had anything to drink.
When did you last drink?
Like, probably. It's been a little while.
Like an hour?
I would say it's more than yeah.
Like maybe 2?
Yeah.
Roughly? Okay.
Like 2 hours.
That's fair. Because you know what? 2 hours is totally different than, no, I haven't been drinking. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But
I mean,
that's okay. That's okay. We're not gonna argue about it. I mean, I know what I smell. I know what I hear. I know what I see. Okay. Simple as that.
I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Well, you already did. You said I hadn't been drinking. And then I kind of played you, said, was it an hour ago? Like, no, longer. 2 hours? Yeah.
It's been a few hours.
Okay.
I mean,
Gotcha. Well,
I mean,
we're not going to argue about that. I mean, I know what I smell. Okay? Do you think you're safe to drive? Do you think you're safe to drive?
Yeah,
You do?
absolutely.
Once again, you and I will disagree on that too. I don't think you're safe to drive. Just based on how you're driving.
When the sergeant again asks about the kids inside Guthrie's vehicle, he has another bizarre response.
All those people in the car, who are they?
They're just my friends. I mean,
Do you normally hang out with people who are young? How old are you?
I'm 41.
41? Okay, hang tight right there, okay?
The sergeant then approaches the kids, asking their ages.
How old are you? And don't lie to me. I mean, okay, like, I'm not gonna play the game where you lie. I know that you're not 18, okay? So if you want to have attitude, you in the front, okay? We go about it another way. Simple as that. So if I sense any attitude or you give me lip, we'll do it another way. Okay, how old are you? 14. Thank you. Simple question.
14.
Really 14?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
14.
Okay. 13. Okay. 13. Okay. 14. Okay. Who's this guy to anybody?
That's our homies. And then she knows his kid.
Okay. So that there's your homie. Okay. So you guys all need to call your parents.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And have your parents meet us here.
The first responder explains he may have saved all the children's lives that night by pulling Guthrie over.
Just so you guys know, okay, I probably saved 6 lives tonight, at least 6 lives. Okay, I thought you guys were going to crash around that bend. He's going way too fast. And he's definitely not safe to drive.
Oh, yeah, we told him. We told him.
Officers told the kids to call their parents and to pick them up at the scene as they processed Guthrie.
Hello, sir. This is Sergeant LaFay with State Police. And your son, along with, I'm guessing 5 of his other buddies, they were in a vehicle with somebody some man. It's a grown adult who has no business driving, and so he's out now doing field sobriety tests, and these kids need to be picked up.
Meanwhile, another first responder conducts field sobriety tests with Guthrie.
So, when did you have your last drink? Or where, I'm sorry?
I was just at my house.
You're at your house? And that's where you had your last drink? Yeah? Okay. Is that where you're coming from? Is your house?
Yeah.
Yeah? So all these people were coming from your house?
No, we went to go pick somebody up.
So just to make sure that you're okay to drive, okay, would you mind doing a couple of field sobriety tests just to make sure?
Yeah.
Yeah? You would mind, or you would want to do them?
Was it?
Do you mind, or would you want to do them? Do you want to do them? Yes or no?
I don't really want to.
You don't want to do them?
No, I don't want to.
Okay, I'm just gonna let you know, if you don't do the test, I'm gonna have to place you under arrest. Do you want to do the test?
All right, well, let's...
Say from H to S. Don't sing the alphabet.
But what do you mean? Like, what do you mean? Like,
Okay. So for the next one, I'm gonna have you count down from the number 62 to the number 47. Okay. Can you do that for me? Starting at 62, ending at 47.
Okay.
Got that?
Yeah.
Go ahead, start.
62, 61, 60. 49, 48, 47, 46, 44, 43, 42, 41. 39, 38, 37, 36.
All right, go and stop right there, man. Go and stop right there. Do you want to try the alphabet one? From H to S?
All right, let's try it.
Okay. Go ahead and give it a shot. Remember, H to S, starting at H, ending at S.
Okay. H.
You don't know what's after H?
I don't like that one.
Okay. Are you going to stop the test then?
I'll still. I can still test.
Okay, so are you going to continue or are you going to stop right there?
I just don't understand this. You're going backwards. You're going H, I. Are you going backward? I just don't understand the test that you're doing right here.
I told you to go forward, remember?
From H?
From H to S. It's pretty simple.
Oh. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S.
Cool? All right.
I
So
just didn't understand what you wanted to...
Yeah. All right, go ahead and stand up, bro. Go ahead and stand up. Go ahead and turn around for me. Go ahead and turn around. Go ahead and turn around. All right, so you're going to be placed under arrest for DWI, okay?
Guthrie is then placed under arrest.
Do you got anything in your mouth, man?
Nah.
No? Here, open your mouth for me.
It was like...
Open your mouth for me, bro. Do you got any dip in your mouth or anything? Open your mouth wide. Move your tongue around. Up, down, yep, left, right, okay. All right, so I'm gonna read you one other thing, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained to you?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes or no?
No.
Yeah? Okay.
After his arrest, investigators uncovered shocking allegations involving one of the girls in his vehicle. Then, during a follow-up investigation, one of the girls told authorities Guthrie had sexually abused her. According to prosecutors, Guthrie went on to arrested for a DWI and was later charged with 6 counts of abuse of child, aggravated DWI, refusal to submit to a test, open container, failure to signal, and failure to maintain lanes. Additional charges included 10 counts of criminal sexual penetration of a minor, 3 counts of criminal sexual contact with a minor, 2 counts of contributing to the delinquency of a minor, and 1 count of false imprisonment. The case took an even darker turn afterwards after Guthrie was hit with additional charges for allegedly raping a 12-year-old girl and her twin sister. Reportedly, he got one of the teenagers pregnant after meeting them both via social media. The twins were 2 of the 6 children that were in his vehicle when he was pulled over by police. Guthrie has been held without bond at Bernalillo County's Metropolitan Detention Center in Albuquerque since July 2022, records show.